I wasn't planning to compare Kilo Code and Open Code. I actually opened both because I was tired of switching between AI coding tools that all claim to be the future of development. You know the marketing: build apps faster, write better code, replace hours of work with a single prompt. We've heard it 100 times. So I decided to do something simple: same project, same bugs, same tasks. Kilo Code versus Open Code. And honestly, I didn't expect the result. The first thing I noticed was Kilo Code's speed. This thing likes to move. You ask for a feature and it immediately starts generating code. For small projects, landing pages, MVPs, and quick experiments, it felt really good. I wasn't thinking too much. I was just building. And honestly, that matters, because sometimes momentum is everything. Then I switched to Open Code, and the experience changed immediately. Open Code felt slower, but also more thoughtful. It seemed to spend more time understanding the problem before jumping into the solution. At first, I thought that was a weakness. A few hours later, I changed my mind. Because when I started giving both tools messy projects, Open Code made fewer strange decisions. It seemed better at understanding context, especially when multiple files and dependencies were involved. Then I decided to stress test both tools. I intentionally gave them bad instructions, half-finished code, confusing requirements, the kind of projects real developers deal with every day. And this is where the difference became obvious. Kilo Code kept moving fast, sometimes too fast. Occasionally it would solve the wrong problem or miss something important. Open Code felt more cautious. It didn't always give the fastest answer, but the answers were often more reliable. That's when I realized something. This isn't really a battle between two coding assistants. It's a battle between two philosophies: speed versus precision. And honestly, neither one is wrong. If you're a startup founder trying to launch an MVP, a freelancer shipping projects quickly, or someone who values speed over perfection, Kilo Code is incredibly attractive. You can move fast, test ideas, build prototypes, ship things. But if you're working on larger projects, handling client applications, or maintaining production code, Open Code starts looking really good, because one bad bug can cost more time than you save. Now, here's my honest conclusion after testing both. Kilo Code feels like an energetic junior developer, fast, excited, always ready to build. Open Code feels more like an experienced engineer, a little slower, a little more careful, but often more dependable. So which AI coding assistant is better? Honestly, it depends on your job. For speed, I'd pick Kilo Code. For reliability, I'd probably lean toward Open Code. And for most people, the winner isn't the smartest AI, it's the one that fits the way you work. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.